Losing a tooth can negatively impact a patient's quality of life. An artificial tooth replacement can help restore that quality of life. But that raises the question, which product should be used? Dental professionals must be able to rely on having just the right product in the right size available for the operation. With the Thommen Medical Webshop, the path to finding the appropriate implant system is easier than ever. Depending on your requirements, you can access the product line in different ways. An intelligent live search delivers specific results and suggestions in record time. The configurator lets you see the visual pre-selection directly in the jaw. And systematic access to the products is provided via the online catalog. The different versions of a product are shown in a size table and specified using the focus function. The system then only shows the appropriate products and accessory parts, which can be added directly to the integrated cart. If it is a repeat or bulk order, the Scan to Cart function permits fast processing. Customers can take article numbers from patient reports or case planning documents or scan packs. The required products can then be placed directly in the cart. Many processes will be more efficient with the web shop. The Thommen sales team will also benefit from this by allowing them to assist the customer when making purchases via the login function, placing orders for the customer directly in the shop. The intuitive user experience remains the same, and the laborious order entering in the ERP is omitted. This is all based on a modular microservice architecture, which is making Thommen Medical's global growth targets possible and offers outstanding performance worldwide. The Thommen Medical Webshop. Find the right dental implant system quickly with a comprehensive customer experience.